everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for unbiased automotive reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome RV, a luxurious, tech-packed beast designed for road trip enthusiasts and full-time travelers. Let's dive in and see what makes this rolling home a standout in the world of motorhomes. First off, Volvo has nailed the exterior aesthetics. It's modern, aerodynamic, and built with premium materials that enhance both durability and fuel efficiency. The LED lighting setup gives it a futuristic edge, while the panoramic windshield ensures excellent visibility. Built on Volvo's latest heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome is not only stylish, but also incredibly stable on the road. It comes with adaptive air suspension, which automatically adjusts to different terrains, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-grid adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome RV is powered by a 3.0L turbocharged hybrid diesel engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse offers seamless shifting and excellent towing capability. What really sets this RV apart is Volvo's mild hybrid system, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Plus, with its regenerative braking, you can recover energy while driving, ideal for long journeys. Now, stepping inside, you're greeted with Scandinavian luxury at its finest. The interior is bathed in soft ambient lighting with high-quality materials like sustainable wood, premium leather, and brushed aluminum accents. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a fully digital 15-inch instrument cluster, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google integration, and Volvo's latest semi-autonomous driving features, including lane assist and adaptive cruise control. This motorhome is designed for comfort. You get a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, convection oven, a full-size fridge, and quartz countertops. The dining area easily transforms into extra seating, making it perfect for entertaining. Moving to the lounge space, Volvo has included a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a 55-inch retractable 4K TV and a premium surround sound system. And if you love natural light, the panoramic skylight is an absolute game-changer. The bedroom offers a queen-size memory foam bed, built-in storage, and smart climate control. If you need extra sleeping space, there's a convertible loft bed above the driver's cabin. And yes, this RV has a full-size bathroom with a walk-in shower, rainfall shower head, a high-tech bidet toilet, and a vanity with LED mirrors. On the tech side, this RV is a smart home on wheels. It comes with an integrated solar panel system, a 100 kWh lithium battery pack, and an advanced HVAC system with HEPA air filtration. Volvo's legendary safety features are all here, including collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and emergency braking assist. So, is the 2025 Volvo Motorhome RV worth it? Absolutely. It's a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and road trip practicality. With its powerful hybrid engine, premium interior, and cutting-edge safety features, this RV sets a new standard for long-haul travel. If you're an adventure lover looking for the ultimate home on wheels, this Volvo motorhome is a top contender. What do you think? Would you take this RV on a cross-country trip? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth automotive reviews. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and I'll see you in the next one.